Why is my bathroom sink leaking underneath? So here are some of the most common causes of this issue. The first is identifying where the leak is coming from. So first turn on your faucet and watch closely to see exactly where the leak is coming from. Once you figure that out, you could either suspect your loose connections, that is loose pipe connections, because they cause a lot of water to leak from joints if they're not tightened up properly. And now another cause would be worn out seals or washers. So rubber washers and seals can wear out over time, causing leaks. So a fix for this would be to replace the worn washers and use a plumber's tape if needed to secure it. And now another cause would be a drain or P-trap leak. So if water leaks when draining, the issue is most likely the P-trap or the drain pipe. So in order to fix this, just simply tighten or reset the P-trap itself and clean debris and replace it if it's cracked. Now another cause of this would be a damaged supply line. So if the leak happens when the faucet is on, the supply lines may be damaged. So fix by replacing the hose and ensure tight connections everywhere. All right, and another thing you can check out is the cracked pipes. So if there are any cracked pipes or a faucet base, if you still see leaks, just simply check the cracks in the pipe or around the faucet base itself. And a quick test before everything is done, just simply run water and observe. If it only leaks when it's running, then it's the supply line. If it leaks when it's draining, it's the P tap. And if there is a constant leak, it could be a loose or damaged pipe. All right.